Alright, so what's up everybody and welcome back to another video on this channel, and I hope you all had a fantastic day. And today it's time for another POV episode, this time with the Canon EOS R5 and the RF 35mm, and we will test the Canon BG-R10 battery grip today. It's really nice, some additional buttons like another shutter button and all kind of other things like that, so it will make things way much easier, especially if you're a photographer. So let's see if it is good or not. Let's start with this one right here. Maybe a really nice close-up. Let's check. So yeah, especially if you shoot a lot of portraits, this might be a really nice addition for your Canon R5 or R6. Oh yeah, really nice. And it adds some more batteries, so you can have 2 of them in your camera. So especially if you shoot a lot of photos over a long period of time, this is really nice. My goal for today is to take a couple of Instagram shots, so a couple of portraits here and there, and I just want to check out the battery grip. There will be a complete review on my channel as well, but I thought it might be great to just get out there, take a couple of shots and show you the whole workflow, and then you can see if it is good or not. Oh yeah, this one might be great as well. Let's see, it's a really nice portrait from here, like that. Really nice with the depth in the background. Great 2.8 shot. Maybe even with the greens. Let's no, this one here is better. Let's check the result. Really nice. And by the way, all photos I edited with my preset packs. The link is down in the description or in the first comment. So if you want to check them out, click on that link. So this one might be another great shot. Like that, maybe. Let's see. Yeah, maybe again. Yeah, like that. Really nice. So, do you have a better grip at home for your Canon R5 or 6 or for any other cameras? Write it down in the comments and some reasons why you bought it. For me, it was actually the additional batteries, the portrait mode, and all these additional buttons here. They just make it way easier to get all those shots. Like that. Really low. And finally, we got some more colors here, which is always great. So that's actually one of the downsides of the winter, less colors. But now it's spring, that's awesome. Maybe we can take a photo of this one here. Oh yeah, this is really great. Look at that. Let's see. Really nice with the depth in the background. There it is. Perfect. Now, let's see. Like that. This looks great. Look at that. Let's see. Here. Maybe this one here. Let's switch to the other side, see if we can take a couple of shots from there. But so far I definitely need to say that I really like that I can now switch between portrait and landscape way easier. The additional grip is really nice, so you have way more space to grab the camera and to hold the camera while taking photos. So yeah, it's absolutely worth it in my opinion. And it makes things way much easier to take photos, and the additional battery life is always great. So right now I would say definitely give it a try, and it's one of the best accessories for the Canon R5 and R6. Let's try to capture this one here. Let's use the... Let's see. Really nice. Let's try to capture it with some more yellows in the background. Like that. So let's take a shot of this one already. Maybe this one here. Really low on the ground. Quick test shot to see. Let's go in this direction. Maybe we can use this one here. Look at that. Look at this tree here, it's so beautiful. All these nice white colors here. I really like these nice white colors here. And especially I think in combination with the rich blacks preset pack, so whites and blacks and just a touch of colors in it. This might look great. So now let's go back into the forest, maybe we can take some more shots there. But so far I definitely need to say that I still really like the battery grip for the Canon R5 and the R6, so this is really nice. It makes the whole shooting workflow way easier. It's really easy to use. It adds some more buttons to it, another grip, some more space to grab and hold the camera while taking photos, additional batteries and everything. And no, this is not sponsored. I actually bought this myself, so this is just my first impression here. But there will be an in-depth video review about this battery grip as well, so definitely be sure to check that out. Let's get really close. So sometimes you just need to be patient and to check how you can make it as easy as possible for you to get the shot. But yeah, I think we already got a lot of great photos. We had the chance to check out the BG-R10 battery grip for the Canon R5 and R6 together. And yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos. And I'll see you in the next video.